What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we got back-to-back day trading recaps. Check it out. All right, guys. So today was an uneventful morning. I had no trades this morning at all. But in the afternoon, XSPA started to set itself up here, and I took a trade on it. Now I've been watching it, but I have not taken another trade on it. I do have the trade recorded live. Another green day. And I'll show you here my entries and exits. So I bought just 250 shares, very small size, at $4.30, and I sold at $4.80 and $4.70 for a real nice move there. Made $100 on 250 shares. I will take that all day long. I was really looking for this move over $5 to sell my last piece, but I didn't get it. So what happened was I got into this. God, it was a while ago. It was around here, I believe, around here somewhere. I got into this stock, and trying to find it here for you. I think I got in on this flag right here, yes. And I sold as we started to push and test $5. I sold a piece, very small piece, just 100 shares at $4.80 from my $4.30 entry. And then I held on to 150 shares looking for a break over $5. We didn't get it here. We didn't really get it here either, although we did make like 504, 505 here. And then we had this big crack, and then we had the big bust over $5, which has put a high day of 545. I would have been flat before that because I was looking to get flat 505, 510. But nonetheless, profitable trade, profitable day, $100 again today. I'll take it. I do have the trade recorded here for you. I do wish this action here, we would have gotten it over here. I would have, capitalized. Nonetheless, I traded it how I had to trade it according to my plan, and I came out nicely in the green. So I'll take it, I'll definitely take it. No more trades for me today, just that one trade. Let me get the live trade here up here for you. See if I can get that here. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Bring this down. So here we are. We're in 250 shares. Cost basis 432. Factors and commissions. My entry was 430, as you can see. I actually got in right here. I had a bid out and it got filled, and that's it. I put my stop. I was risking 20 cents on this, so I put my hard stop out and I just let it do its thing. And it took a while for the trade to, really get going. I figured we had a lot of shorts trapped in here because we had this big push, halt, and then it just retraced. But it found support at this 350 VWAP area, so we had shorts trapped in there. So I'm in this here. Wasn't looking to add. I wasn't looking to do anything fancy. I was looking just to, take 250 shares, make 100, maybe $150 if we really got this thing to move. Because I was thinking, okay, we'll go ahead and take 100 shares off in front of high day, giving me about $50, and then I'll hold on to the other 150 shares for a break of $5, which would have easily made me another $100 on those 150 shares. However, once we got stuffed at $5 and we started to retrace, I got flat. So you'll see here, we're basically just trading a little bit sideways there, trying to get over this 450 area. The trade did take a while. As you can see, it was about a 10-minute trade, a little bit over 10 minutes. And I'm seeing that, we're holding this 9 EMA. Volume isn't bad. We had a little bit of a doji candle there. We're setting a pivot in this 450 area, so I know that anything that breaks over 450, over 460, we're gonna have, we're gonna get that squeeze up to $5. So we're in there. Then we start to get that little push right there. I cancel out my hard stop and get ready to start taking some profit because I thought there we were gonna get that squeeze immediately. We kind of don't get it instantly. We start to get it right there. So then here, I put out an order, see at $4.80 to sell 100 shares. Those get filled. I have 150 shares left. And now I'm just looking to see, if we're going to get that pop over $5. I want to sell these 150 shares over $5. That's going to give me real nice profit on the day. However, we kind of start to get stuck there at that 495 area, right in front of $5. See, we hit 494. High day. So I'm thinking, you know, we're gonna go here, but if we don't, I want to get out of it if we break under 480. We do break under 480, so I start to get ready to get out of it. I put out a limit order at 480. It doesn't get filled, so I canceled it and just market order out. I didn't want any part of a big flush. I didn't want to get a big flush down to like $4. You know, I didn't want to turn a profitable trade into a red trade. I never like doing that. So we're in there still for 150 shares. We're up $75 on it. Just waiting. Just waiting. Here, once we start getting all that selling, I think is when I start to get out. See, we get that wick. We get that wick and we start to pull back. I could have been more patient. However, I did trade it right because the stock did, see, I closed it out right there. The stock did go ahead and come all the way back down to, what is this, 408. So it would have stopped me out anyways. It hit 408 in front of VWAP and then bounced back up. I'm happy with the trade from 430 to my best exit at 480. I'll take that any day, any day. I wish I would have had more size, but in current conditions, I'm not comfortable taking any bigger size. I said to myself, the summer gets choppy, the summer gets really low volume. I'm gonna decrease my share size in the summer and just look to book small green days, let them add up. And in the fall, once we get action back in here, or once the market shows me there's gonna be some steady volume, I'll up my size back up again. You know, it's no problem. This is a marathon, it's a long game. I wanna conserve my mental capital and conserve the capital in my account as well. Did you catch a piece of this XSPA today or any other trades? Drop them in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this trade. And before I forget, guys, do me one quick favor. You know what it is. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date in every single one of my new videos. I have a new video coming out this week, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's kind of funny. Check